Hello, everybody. My name is Murali. I'm one of the surgical registrars working in North Wales. Uh, I used Mr. Veda's uh, study material for preparing for MRCS Part B exam, and it was very extensively covered. He takes a very good effort to know what is the latest questions that are asked every year, and he updates his study material constantly. And this has resulted in him having a good study bank of the questions that are asked in the most updated exams that happen every year. And he's also has a very good knowledge about the exam as such, on the way it's been conducted, and he keeps an active surveillance on the way new ways of the college adapts currently with the COVID pandemic happening and with the new methods of examination that they have asked in the last few exams. So I would recommend his study material and his course to everybody who's interested in clearing MRCS Part B exam. I'm sure he'll come up with new ways to teach every candidate who's interested in passing the exam, and with also the Royal College coming up with new ways and formats for the exam, he will also find new ways of inculcating those questions into his course material and improving on his already good study material. Thank you very much.